Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, so up to day 24 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Box. This one's a little fatty. I actually don't know. It is circular. Could it be tape? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm puzzled by this one. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a corner rounder. I never would have guessed that. It cuts 4mm, 7mm and 10mm corners. I'll have to test that and see how thick of a cardstock I can get in there, because I've got a couple of corner rounders and one of them struggles big time on the thicker cardstock, so that'll be interesting to see. Very handy tool, and if you're like me, you tend to lose things. Exceptionally handy. Okay, so that was day 24. Join me tomorrow for the last day, day 25. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.